Welcome. If you want to know how to unexclude archive chats from a folder in the Telegram app on your PC using the latest update, you're in the right place. Maybe you've set up chat folders to keep things organized, but notice that archive chats are missing from a folder where you actually want to see them. Here's how you can quickly fix that and make sure your archived conversations show up where you need them. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and looking at your main chat list. On the left side of the Telegram window, you'll see your list of chat folders. Find the folder where you want to include archived chats. Right-click on that folder to open a small menu. From the menu, choose Edit Folder. This will bring up the folder settings where you can adjust which chats are included or excluded from that folder. Look for the option labeled Add Excluded Chats. Click on it, and you'll see a list of categories that are currently excluded from the folder. One of the options will be Archived. If the box next to Archived is checked, that means archived chats are being kept out of this folder. To include archived chats, simply uncheck the box next to Archived. This tells Telegram that you want archived chats to appear in this folder, along with your other conversations. Once you've unchecked Archived, click the Save button at the bottom of the window to apply your changes. That's it. Now when you open your folder, you'll see your archived chats included, just as you wanted. This is especially helpful if you use archiving to keep your main chat list tidy, but still want quick access to certain chats within specific folders. Telegram's folder system is flexible, letting you customize exactly which chats show up where. With this quick adjustment, you can make sure your archived chats are never out of reach when you need them. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined Telegram experience.